Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard on your phone. Now let's get started. First, open your message. Okay, maybe this one and in here this one. And after this, in here, if you wanna change the keyboard, it's so pretty simple. So you can open your keyboard, and after this, in here you can see the setting icon. Click on it, and in here you can choose the keyboard. You can click on this icon at the bottom. Okay, and in here you can change the keyboard. You can change to Google Voice Typing, or you can change to Samsung Voice Input, or you can change to Samsung Keyboard. But in here I choose Samsung Keyboard. And finish. So that how to change the keyboard on your phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.